Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. This is Asharuzaman Khan from Government Muslim Science College. Now continuing the quadratic equation, the chapter number 3, exercise 3.4. We have question number 14 right now. And the new form of the quadratic equation is y power 4 3y cube plus 4y square plus 3y plus 1 equal to 0. We can reduce this form to the quadratic equation. So for solving this equation, y power 4 plus 3y cube plus 4y square plus 3y plus 1 equal to 0, we will divide it by y square on both sides. So by dividing y power 4 by y square, it will reduce to y square. 3y cube divided by y square, it will reduce to 3y, and 4y square will be reduced to 4, and 3y will be reduced or 3 over y, and 1 over y square is equal to 0. Over here, the reduced form y square plus 3y plus 4 plus 3 over y plus 1 over y square equal to 0. We will separate y square plus 1 over y square together and 3y plus 3 over y together by taking 3 common outside the bracket, and inside the bracket we have y plus 1 over y plus 4 equal to 0. This is equation number 1. So what will happen, we will suppose as y plus 1 over y as t. Let t equal to y plus 1 over y, this one. If we square on both the side, so t square is equal to y plus 1 over y. Open up with the help of formula, that is a square plus 2ab plus b whole square. That is t square will be a square plus 2y into 1 over y. Both are reciprocal to each other and cancel out each other. 1 over y whole square. So what will remain in this side, y square plus 2 plus 1 over y square. Plus 2 is adding over here, it will be shifted over there on the left hand side, it will subtract or it will be negative. So y square plus 1 over y square will be equal to t square minus 2. This one, t square minus 2 is equal to y square plus 1 over y square, and t is equal to y plus 1 over y. If we put in equation number 1, then we will find out the quadratic equation. By substituting y square plus 1 over y square as t square minus 2 plus 3t plus 4 is equal to 0. So 4 minus 2 will be equal to 2, then t square plus 3t plus 2 is equal to 0 is the quadratic equation. We can factorize it and we can break the middle term into this is, what is the coefficient of t square is 1 and the constant term is 2. 1 into 2 is equal to 2. So we will break it the 3 as 2 into 1. 2 ones are 2. This term will be created, and 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So t square plus 2 plus 1 into t plus 2 equal to 0. T square plus 2t plus t plus 2 is equal to 0. So in t square plus 2t, we will take out t as common. So t is common, t plus 2 will be remain in the bracket. In t plus 2, we will take 1 common, t plus 2 will be remain in the bracket equal to 0. So there are two brackets, one common bracket, that is t plus 2, and t plus 1 will be combined together to make one bracket. T plus 1 into t plus 2 is equal to 0 are the factors of this equation. So if we take t plus 1 as equal to 0, so the t plus 2 is equal to 0, so t equal to minus 1 is the value and t equal to minus 2. There are two values of t. Now we are moving further to evaluate the value of y. Now as we have supposed that t is equal to y plus 1 over y, also t equal to minus 1, we have taken out the value of t by factorization. Y plus 1 over y is equal to minus 1. By taking LCM, we add them together. This y cancel out this y. There is nothing in denominator of y, so this y will multiply by this y, that is y square. So there is in the denominator there is nothing but 1 multiplied by y, and y will multiply by y, that is y square. So y cancel out y, that is equal to 1. 1 multiplied by 1 is equal to 1. So that is minus 1 equal to minus 1. This is simple mathematics of class 4 LCM I have elaborated. So what will happen? Y square plus 1 is equal to minus y. This y is dividing over here. It will be multiply over there with minus 1. So y will be shifted over there. It is negative over here. It will be positive over there. So we have a quadratic equation y square plus y plus 1 equal to 0. And we can see that it will not be factorized. So by comparing it with the general form of quadratic equation, we have a equal to 1, b equal to 1, c equal to 1, and we will apply the quadratic formula to solve it. The quadratic formula to find out the value of y is minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So just plug in the values. So y is equal to b is equal to 1 minus 1 plus minus under root b square yani 1 square minus 4, a is 1 and c is 1. 4 multiplied by 1 and into 1 and divide by 2 into 1. A is 1. So y is equal to minus 1 plus minus under root 1 minus 4 divided by 2. So y is equal to minus 1 plus minus under root minus 3 divided by 2. And we know that root of minus 1 is equal to iota. So y equal to minus 1 plus minus under root 3 iota divided by 2. This reminds you the value of omega and omega square, the complex cube root of unity. So from that we learned that the minus 1 plus root 3 iota divided by 2 is equal to omega, and minus 1 minus root 3 divided by 2 iota is omega square. So in the next step, y is equal to minus 1 plus root 3 iota divided by 2, and y equal to minus 1 minus root 3 iota divided by 2. So both are the values of y equal to omega and y equal to omega square. This is the value of omega and this is the value of omega square. Now moving further, t is equal to y plus 1 over y, as we know that, and we have taken out the value of t equal to minus 1 by factorization. Y plus 1 over y is equal to minus 2. So taking LCM, y square plus 1 divided by y is equal to minus 2, as we have done earlier. So y square plus 1 is equal to minus 2y. This y will shift it over there. It will be multiplied by minus 2. So y square plus 2y plus 1 equal to 0. It reminds you a formula, that is y square in a square plus 2ab plus b whole square. So over here y square is equal to y whole square plus 2 फार्मूले का हमारे पास है, और a हमारे पास y है, b हमारे पास 1 है, प्लस 1 का होल स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 0. So it is a square plus 2ab plus b whole square, that is a plus b whole square, in which a is y and b is equal to 1. So a is equal to y and b is equal to 1. It will close down into this form, that is a plus b whole square, that is y plus 1 whole square is equal to 0. If we remove the square from left hand side, we will take root of 0, and root of 0 is equal to also. So y plus 1 equal to 0 and y is equal to minus 1 is the value, and the solution set is there. And finally the solution set is equal to 1 minus 1 omega and omega square. This is our answer, and this also conclude our lecture. We will meet in the next lecture. Till then, Allah Hafiz.